Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can export and download all your Google Photos at once on your iPhone. So if you don't want to use Google Photos anymore, you can do it all at once at the same time and back up everything. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Safari web browser, and you want to go to this website called takeout.google.com. So put in the web address takeout.google.com, and once you go to this website, you want to go down. So scroll down, and you want to deselect everything. So tap on deselect all. Now you don't want to export everything. You only want to export photos. So we're going to go down and choose photos. So you want to select Google Photos, and then you want to go all the way down to the bottom and tap on the next step button. So tap on next step. Next, it asks you like, do you want to export once or export every 2 months for 1 year? So we're just going to choose export once, and then you want to choose the zip format or the compression format, and you can also choose the file size. If you have a lot of photos, you can break them down by different file size. You can choose a larger file size. Now it says here export larger than this size will be split into multiple files. Zip files larger than 2 GB will be compressed in zip 64, or the operating system may not be able to open this file format. So choose the best format for your device. So here what I have is an iPhone 12 Pro. So once you're ready, it's asked here delivery method, so you can choose add to drive, add to Dropbox, add to OneDrive, or send email link. So you can have a link to download it. So export, and then once you're ready, tap on the create export button, and this will basically put it into a queue. You'll not be able to download straight away because Google need to prepare the file. So it needs to generate a metadata files for the photos, and then you can once it's ready, you can download it. So I have created one earlier, so you can see here I have created one this morning, and in here I can tap on the download button. So once it's ready, it will send out an email to you, and then you can simply just go back in here and tap on the download button. So once you have downloaded, it will not go into your photos. So we're not going to your Apple Photos. So in here, this is my photos gallery or photo album. So you can see here I've got photos, but it will not go into here. So if you want to import it into your photos, you need to open up files. So look for files. So if I'm going too fast, I'll slow down. So you want to tap on files. In files, you need to open up the zip file. So this is the zip file here. So on files, you want to go to, so I'm just going to go all the way back to the root, and then you want to tap on my iPhone, or there is a favorites here, downloads. So in downloads, you should see it say something like take out with the year and the day and the zip file. So what you want to do is tap on that zip file, and we'll try to decompress. As you can see here, it's trying to decompress the file, and I've got 2 here, 1 and 2. So in this takeout, you want to open up that folder, and then you want to tap on Google Photos. Now in here, it breaks down by the folder or by the date. So you go down, and you can see a lot of them got just 1 item, and then in there it's got the metadata file. So all your photos will be in here. For example, this one here, I've got 11 items, and basically they're just test photos. So this one here got 9 items, so I will open it up so you can see there are some photos in here. So if I go back down here, instant upload or profile photos, instant upload, there's some in here as well. 7 items up here, and here's 1 photo. This is actually a video. Now if you go back in here, and I'll show it to you, if I go into say instant upload, no, down here, this one here. And if I open up this file here, for example, you can see in this file it tells you the title, which is the name of your photo. It will give you a description, the access, the location. Here is blank because when I took the photos, I didn't turn on GPS location, but some of the photos that's actually show the location of the photo that has been taken. So it does have the location data, timestamp and date. So it's got the date as well when the photo was taken and formatted, and that's it. So that's how you can download it to your phone. And once you got it on your phone, you can then import it to your device. So say this one here, you can tap and hold onto that, and then you can basically share. And when you tap on the share, you can save image. And I can also, if you go into my photos here, you can see I have I don't have one of this photo. I'm going to import so you can see it. At the moment, this is my library. These are all of my photos. So I'm going to open up files, and I'm going to try to import this file here. So this file is quite small, 177 megabyte. So I'm going to tap on the share button and then tap on save video, and this will basically allow you to import it to your photo albums from Apple. And then so just give a minute or two, depending on how large is your file. You can see now this video file has been imported to albums. Once you have done that, you can go into settings. In settings, you can go into iCloud, and in iCloud you can turn on, so my iCloud is off at the moment, but once you go into iCloud you can turn on iCloud sync, and it will sync your photos to the iCloud server. So that is how you can import it to your how you can export your photos down to your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.